Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 7th to the 21st. During this period, the Arctic oscillation is positive and is predicted to spike strongly positive this week and then drift to neutral or possibly negative next week. The current positive AO is reflective of negative height anomalies across the Arctic and mixed height anomalies across the mid-latitudes. You can see here's, I'm going to go to this map. Here's what I'm talking about. This is the below normal heights, and the polar vortex remains strong. There's been talk about that. So with that, that means a strong westerly flow across the middle latitudes, keeping the cold air far to the north, except for in the west where a trough digs into that region. Now, the ridge is forecast south of the Aleutians. See right here, south of the Aleutians, and a trough in the west with the ridge over the northeast. This trough will become stronger as we go through the period. This ridge will be centered over the northeast with above normal heights in the east. Now, concerning Eta, here's a current look as of 5 p.m. centered at, or 4 p.m., but it's Eastern time. But 13.9 north, 85.7 west. Maximum sustained winds are 40 miles per hour. It's a tropical storm. Movement is towards the west at 7. Now, during this forecast period, let me go here. We're expecting heavy rain across portions of Florida, as moisture from the Caribbean interacts with a persistent easterly flow, and as well as the outer bands of Eta. And this is forecast to track towards the Florida Keys by Monday, and we'll take a look at that right now. Okay, we'll start Friday. Here's go Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we have Monday. No, this is Monday. So this is GFS. Here's the European, slightly to the west. And here's the European high resolution, also to the west. And the European ensembles to the west. So the GFS is the only one more to the east. But still expecting heavy rain across this region. The deepening western trough will bring much cooler temperatures to spread east from the west coast this weekend and the northern Rockies by Sunday. Temperatures could be 15-20 degrees below normal in some locations. A significant precipitation event is expected across portions of the northern Rockies over the weekend. And we'll take a look at that right now. Here's the GFS. You can see this is what I'm talking about here. This heavy rain. The GFS shows it the best. Here it shows the snow and the rain. And the eastern ridge will cause warm temperature across the west central states with anomalies greater than 20 degrees will be possible. As the trough progresses eastward into the western plains next week, moisture interacting with the front may result in locally heavy rain across the central plains and the Midwest, and I'll show you that. Here we are next week. Expect a heavy rain across this frontal boundary, maybe snow and ice back here. And we'll take a look here now. This is the GFS. Oops, it just jumped. Okay, Tuesday, we're back here. And then the system leaves, but still expecting heavy rain across this region. Okay, we're going to look at the period for November 12th to 16th. And the pattern remains generally the same. We still have a ridge here south of the Aleutians. Trough here, again, across much of the west central states. Trough here in the east. This ridge kind of slides to the northeast or eastward. And above normal heights of forecast, below normal heights of forecast across the Arctic and much of Canada. You see right here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast across much of this region here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this area, probability of occurrence is 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, the period for November 17th to the 21st. The pattern kind of de-amplifies here, almost a zonal flow, but however, the height anomalies remain the same but weaker. Here's our ridge south of the Aleutians. Here's our trough in the west, ridge in the east, but still a zonal flow. Models are pretty good with that. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this region here, plains, upper Mississippi Valley to the west coast, and anomalies will be near 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast for this region, and anomalies will be near 4 degrees above normal. And I'm forecasting a little change in the precipitation anomalies for this from the previous period. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 7th to the 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.